standing by with a look at what is expected to be a washout weekend, Jen.
Yeah, pretty much, especially later on overnight tonight and tomorrow. I do expect it to be a washout. Now, so far, hasn't really been a washout for us, but there are showers quickly developing, so keep that in mind. They can develop anytime during the day. Flood watch remains in effect through the weekend for us in Broward and Miami-Dade through at least Sunday evening. Now, let's talk about what's happening on real-time Doppler, because if you are in Broward, at least in the Hollywood area, right over the Turnpike and even up into Fort Lauderdale now, you're going to need the umbrella or the raincoat. Down into the Hard Rock Stadium as well, Miami Gardens getting a bit of that shower as it begins to expand basically north and south as well. And as you notice, it's not moving around too much. So when you see those showers kind of stagnant, not really moving anywhere, that's when you expect the street flooding. And before this morning, there was that flood advisory in effect for Big Pine Key. Now no longer in effect, but again, another round of rain for you in the 7 Mile Bridge, and for the rest of the lower keys, you're going to get an area of rainfall coming in from the south. So basically just be ready for rainfall anytime. Otherwise, it's gloomy out there, and this model really shows that. As we head into tonight, the beginning of the night seems to be quiet, but overnight you notice the rain spreading and becoming scattered from east to west, and also as we head into Saturday morning and afternoon as well. So soggy weekend ahead. Also, we have to be mindful not only of the flooding, but any of these thunderstorms could produce some gusty winds. So I'm going to keep that weather impact level for the wind at a slight level. The flooding, we'll keep it for today, moderate level. Lightning at a moderate level as well. Frequent lightning, we are used to that as well. So if you hear thunder, go indoors if you're outside. Hail, tornado, and none, because we're not expecting severe weather with these thunderstorms. So for now, keeping that level very low for any hail or tornado. Otherwise, we're going to be dealing with some wet streets out there, and through Sunday morning, 1 to 3 inches of rainfall expected anywhere across South Florida. Looks like the Keys are going to get the heaviest of the rainfall, with some localized amounts around 4 to 5 inches. Now, live view of a gloomy sky over downtown Miami and Biscayne Bay. Not much sunshine out there. Now, this again has to do with that stalled boundary. It's also picking up tropical moisture from Tropical Depression 25 that's located right over the northwestern Caribbean Sea. And so all that moisture in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere can't go anywhere because of the stalled boundary. So it's sticking around through much of the weekend, but late Sunday into Monday, look at this orange coloring. That's drier air that's coming our way. It's going to bring the rain chances down by early next week. And then Wednesday, we'll bump up the rain chances again. Highs today in the mid 80s, keeping it in the mid 80s all weekend long.